Today we're going to bring a mini chainsaw, hand chainsaw. We're going to open it up and see what you get. Out of the box you get the instructions, you get the actual gloves for it, so protect yourself. I'm including an extra chain, all right, the actual system itself, a charging station, 2 batteries, and safety goggles. So today we're going to trim down some of our branches in the back. Now out of the box, this is very important, it's not lubricated. You got to make sure you have your oil. Put your oil in here, pump it up so your oil, you can see some of the oil in here. Once it's going, it's going to lubricate the chain. Do it after and before, because these things, even after you store them, they get rusted if you don't put oil. So just make sure you're aware of that. That's very important. They sell this in your local hardware store. So it's very simple to use. All right, you push the safety off, you push the button on. Now you could take off the chain through here and loosen it up and tighten it up. Removing the chain is very simple too. Like, they give you instructions how to remove the chain and how to keep it lubricated and how to clean it too. That's very important. Now this part right here does not rotate, it's just one direction, and the batteries go in the back, right? So we're gonna put it to use and see how well it works. Close it up, clean up the excessive oil, and then we begin to pump it. All right, this is very important. All right, now you're gonna pump the oil and you start seeing the oil in here. And there we go. So we see the oil in there now. It's lubricated and we start using it. Now I will run it for a couple minutes, of like a couple seconds, so the lubrication can go around it. So let's do that.